Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the screensaver on your Windows XP computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on a blank area of your desktop and select Properties. Select the Screensaver tab, and underneath Screensaver, you can click on the drop down here and select various screensaver options. And you can select how many minutes you want to wait before your system goes to the screensaver mode. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And if you just want to turn it off altogether, you can just select none so that it does not go to screensaver ever. And then you would select applying, okay? And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.